November drifts on winds grow cold, as skies of grey and trees grown bold, their branches bare, the leaves now fall, a whispered hush envelops all. The harvest done, the fields at rest, the earth prepares for winter's test. The bonfire smoke still lingers high as fleeting warmth meets fading sky. The mornings greet with fog and mist as autumn leaves dance their final twist. Nights grow long, the stars shine bright, a deeper calm fills every night. November's peace, both soft and still, awaits the snow on distant hill. In quiet, we reflect, prepare for winter's chill, now in the air.